Day 4. Hey guys, it's Tashira here. So I just got in from church. I wanted to take you guys with me because I ran some errands after church, but I discovered that my memory card was not in the camera. So just wow, that's cool though. We're gonna hang out here at the house. I just had to eat something real quick. Had some little pizza and some salad. And here, let me show you guys my outfit because I'm about to go change in a minute so I can be comfy. So I just had on a little turtleneck and then a sweater skirt with like this little chain belt here. And my skirt, it had a little splitty split. And I had on some black boots, but you know, I don't wear my shoes in the house, so they're not on my feet. I really wanted to show you guys this morning, like getting ready and everything, but I was running late. But yeah, I'm about to go change and get into some cozy PJs. And then we're gonna continue doing our project from yesterday, the TV stand. Well, I'm back. I just changed into something more comfy and cozy. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I need to put the rest of my TV stand together. I really want it to be like cute and looking nice. I want to get it done and over with. Y'all, I am really sad that I don't have an intro. I'm actually supposed to have a Vlogmas intro, but since I put up the tree so late, yeah, that didn't get done. I was supposed to do this like the week of Thanksgiving, like put up the tree, shoot the Vlogmas intro, because I couldn't do the Vlogmas intro without the tree. But yeah, we'll see if I end up having one. Hopefully I do. Problem is, by the time I get off from work, it's dark. So yeah, can't really shoot that in the dark. Anywho, onto the TV stands now. Making my way to the floor. I gotta be careful. Y'all, spill juice all over the floor. I cleaned it up though, but still, I feel like it might still be a little sticky. But anyway, let me show you what happened, partially why I'm so tired. So I was up late fooling with this. Something told me to see how it fit onto the hinges and onto the actual TV stand. And y'all, pardon my broken nail. It was not working. So I had to take the mirrors off and I ended up putting these things on, the overlays on there so they could be dry today. So we're gonna put them on the hinges today, I hope. To be honest, this is a get somebody else to do it type of job, but yeah. My man decided he wasn't gonna come along this season. I don't know where that man is. But you know, I'm gonna do it by myself for now. So I got my handy dandy screwdrivers in here and I have to figure out which one is gonna work. Yeah, I think it's like a 4-way thing. But let's go. Oh my gosh, guys, can you believe it? I am finally finished. Well, mostly. Technically, I need on here the magnets to keep this closed, but since the fit here is so tight and you know, I did this part myself, I don't think I even need the magnets, but I still would like to put them on there. So this is the final product. Super duper cute. Look at that. And I'm about to open these because this would be cute to put like little handles on there. I'm going to open them and see if I can maybe glue them, because there's no space. I don't have a drill or anything. There's no space for me to screw them. So let me see really quickly. So these have screws, but I'm wondering, can I take them off? Oh yeah, let's see. I think I can screw it off. Oh yes, perfect. So I can just glue that on. Just glue it on here. Yeah, how super cute. Oh my gosh. Now the bad thing is the E6000, that glue does need time to cure, and this is actually heavy, so I don't know if it will stay with that glue, but we're about to see. Well, that didn't work out as planned. It fell right off. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. It turned out so cute. It's a little wonky a little bit, but it's okay, because you know the measurements and things, they weren't quite all the way 100%, but it's all right. You know, it's cute still. I'm gonna clean it off and stuff tomorrow or like the next day, and then take out all the candles. And stay tuned, because one of these days I will be doing my candle collection. I'll show you guys my candle collection, and also we'll be going to Hobby Lobby because I need to look at some different Christmas decor and little cute little thingy things. But let me know, what else should we do? What other type of Vlogmas videos do you guys want to see? But anyway, right now I'm about to make some cereal. We were gonna make tacos tonight, but y'all, I'm tired. I'm just eat cereal. Relax for the evening and light a candle, try to get this video edited for you guys. Tonight's candle is cranberry pear bellini. This smells beautiful, very fruity and cranberry, very sweet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next vlog.